Hello, my name is Madalena Monteiro from Liberty Legal. We are a legal services provider based in Lisbon, and we are ready to assist you throughout the whole process. Let's start with speaking about opening the bank account and creating the tax number for you. This is two things that have to be done in order to start any investment in Portugal. To create the tax number, we always need to receive from you your passport and a recent proof of address. This will allow us to deal directly with the tax authorities and get your number within 2 or 3 working days. After that process is concluded, we start with opening the bank account for you. This is something that can also be done 100% remotely. All we need from your side is to demonstrate to the bank very clearly the source of funds. We need to show that how you have accumulated the amount of money to do this investment, and we have to give them a clear picture about how these funds were accumulated over your life.